Hi everyone, welcome to day 9 of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges. Now, whenever I've done this challenge before, I can hear people screaming from Melbourne to Minneapolis. So settle down, hold on when I tell you that it's about clearing a flat surface in your home. Oh my God, what am I going to do? Listen, by clearing flat surfaces, you make a space feel more open, more functional, more harmonious. So choose just one flat surface, preferably larger than a postage stamp. A bedside table, kitchen table, coffee table, kitchen counter, I don't care, and spend 10 minutes clearing that space. Now, once it's clear, remember the mantra. Don't put it down, put it away, and that will help you to keep flat surfaces clear. So when you climb down off the ledge and stop screaming, let me know which flat surface you chose, and let's see a photo. Get to it now.